your Instagram reels, you can share to Facebook. All right, so your reels right now can actually get visibility from both Instagram and Facebook. So if you go down on your phone, right, go down on your phone when you want to post your reels, just go down, scroll down a little bit, tricky. When you get to the what's it called, where you are posting, as in you would have created the content, you have put everything, so where you are setting everything, where you will click whether post to page or don't post to page, just go down. If you look down at the end of that posting page, where the page where you will write the caption you want to write or the copy you want to write, right? Just look down at the end of that page. You see recommend on Facebook. Recommend on Facebook, usually in blue. So that recommend on Facebook, you just click on it. All right, and you'll be able to recommend on Facebook. So your reels will be getting visibility. As it's getting visibility on Instagram, it's getting visibility on Facebook too. Do you understand? So one content created on one platform, but getting visibility from two different platforms. Isn't that beautiful? All right. It's actually possible to also create reels on Facebook. So you can also do that.